Hello traders, it's day 3 of the Trade Scalper challenge where we trade 3 days in a row using the Trade Scalper program, the software, the method to see if we are successful. Now before we begin, remember that trading is risky. Please don't trade with funds you cannot afford to lose. There are risks involved with trading. Currently, what you're seeing on the chart is 5 separate long signals the Trade Scalper software is providing to us. Now remember, you learned the Trade Scalper method, so you don't have to use the software. For those traders who want to learn, who are interested in understanding price action, we teach you the method. And so you could use this method, the Trade Scalper, on any charting platform. It doesn't have to be just with NinjaTrader, and that's a really good thing that you actually learned something. So I didn't take any of these signals here as we lead up to 10 o'clock Eastern Standard. I typically like to wait a little bit, but it's good to see that there are no flip-flop, there's no confusion, everything is to the long side. So really what I'm after is identifying another long opportunity, a long trade that I can take advantage of. And so I just have to be patient, I just have to wait. We're going to see what happens here. Now about 10 minutes has passed and I'm still waiting for a signal, and because I understand the method, I know what's expected, I'm almost certain that we're going to see a long opportunity, and that's exactly right. 47.4150 is my long entry, or at least I want to try to get as close to this price as possible. Now those of you who are following along, who have the software, who know the method, some of you just go in right at market, and that's fine. If the market is strong, you may not want to skip out on this trade. I'm going to try to be as exact as possible. I'm going to try to get 47.4175. So I'm actually trying to get within a tick of the price that I know that I'm willing to achieve. Now a couple of things here to remember. I'm not going to chase this, so if the market runs away and I can't get filled at 47.4175 or 47.42, that means, or that tells me that we're in a strong position, that I'm not going to chase it with bad fills, so you should never do that as a trader. And if I need to cancel this, I'm going to cancel it because, like I said, I don't want to chase the market. I'll wait for the next setup. So currently still waiting to get filled. Let's see what happens here. Now 47.4150, everyone has the same exact entry price, right? So this is not optimized for me. Everyone has the same exact opportunity to go long, but it looks like it's running away. I'm going to cancel this because it's not worth chasing this. Realistically, I'll just wait for the next opportunity. And here we are, maybe 10-15 minutes, still working on the 3-day challenge using the Trade Scalper. The previous signal there long just ran away. I'm not going to chase it, even though it would have been successful if I just went in at market. Now we have a double wick. 47.53 is the entry, 43.53 quarter. Great opportunity. I like the way it looks. The market is actually going sideways, so I can probably get even the exact price or a better price. Once again, as you can see, there's no reason to chase the market or to try to follow it up with bad fills. 47.53 quarter or better. Use a limit order, use a market if touched order, and it is Friday, so on Fridays, typically as the day progresses, the market gets slower or more range bound. So be careful on Fridays. Don't trade right until the end of the day or until the close. One other thing you should know, markets love to test where they've been. So if you look at the highs, where the market has been for the day, more likely than not, it'll try to test that or try to do a double top or try to get to that price. So I'm actually positioned in a really good opportunity now to go long with the idea that all the previous signals were long, number one. Number two, market likes to test highs and lows of the day. So we're going long thinking that the market is going to test those highs. So really positioned in a good environment right now. Okay, long, 5 contracts. You can do 1 contract. You can do micro contracts. And so let me just adjust this to 3 points. So 3 points is 12 ticks. For those of you who want to learn the difference between ticks and points, 4 ticks, 1 point. 12 ticks is 3 points. So the math is very simple. if you're looking to find out what happened during the first 2 days of the 3-day challenge, the links are below in the description of this video to find out what happened within the 3 days. This is the 3rd day of the Trade Scalper Challenge. Our goal was to find out if we could trade 3 days in a row, successful, profitable in all 3 days, only taking 1 or 2 trades per day at a time. Usually the first few trades in the morning are usually stronger, better. Don't trade right into the afternoon or into the close. Typically the market is too slow, or sometimes it gets erratic with the news events, right, that happen, like the FOMC on Wednesdays. All right, again, not holding on to a position for an hour, 10 minutes, 5 minutes. Really, that's the idea, to see where we're at the end of a few minutes, to see if we're in profitable territory. And that was actually 3 minutes into this trade. 2 points, 3 points, whatever you wanted to make. This is successful. I like to use the ATR for the profit target and stop, but 3 points is what I had. And now you're done. 3-day challenge using the Trade Scalper. Email us if you have any questions. You can get the Trade Scalper with accelerated mentorship, or you can get it on its own. Until next time, good trading.